If you're over 50 and wondering if it's too late to start something new, you're not. I'm here to tell you. I started my online income journey in my 40s and it's completely changed my life. And I didn't have a clue what I was doing at first. Hi, I'm Jim from the Side Hustle Shuffle and I teach regular folks how to earn money online, even if you're not a techie or a 20-something. So if you're over 50 and you're tired of being left behind, this video is for you. Your experience is your superpower. You've been through a lot in life. You've worked, raised a family, fixed a water heater at midnight, got the heat running in the middle of winter, and that's more valuable than any TikTok dance ever will be. The creator economy rewards authenticity and wisdom, and you have both. The tools are easier than ever. I didn't have to learn any crazy coding. I didn't have to build a massive audience. I used programs like Amazon Influencer, affiliate programs, and there's plenty of tools that do the hard stuff for you. So I'm here to tell you, if you can shop on Amazon, you can make money on Amazon. And it's about progress, not perfection. You don't have to be perfect, just consistent. I started with short videos on stuff I had around the house. One video led to another video, and now I've got a monthly income stream. Most people quit too soon. I see guys giving up after their first week. But if you treat it like a real opportunity, it'll work for you. Don't let age be your excuse. Let it be your edge. So if you made it this far, you're my kind of person. Someone who doesn't want to quit. So here's what I want you to do. Subscribe if you're ready to take the next step and leave me a comment. Even if it's just your age and why you're starting. And I'll reply to every single one.